Today we are going to look at creating a sequence and our sequence setting to fit our frame size, and again we are going to look at how to make our export settings so that it can fit what we want. As usual, we all know the normal size and the normal audio setting. The frame size is 1920 by 1080p. That's the normal one, the HD one that we normally know. Some people normally post on the Adobe Premiere Pro, and they seem not to get the actual 1920 by 1080p. That is what I'm going to take you through this morning. So to start, we will create a new project. We create a new project, and in the new project we are going to name it edit 1. I'm having edit 1 on it, so edit 1. Then we click on OK and wait for our panel to open. So our panel is open, and this is where the actual work is done. The actual editing and the actual magic is done. So in order to get the correct frame size for our work, we will be coming to this place, which is new item. You click on it, you choose sequence, and the sequence will open. The sequence settings will open. Already I'm having I'm having a preset sequence, which is edit 1, edit 5, Eric New, and Mummies. These are some presets that I've already done. So let's forget about this and go on to set a new one. So in order to get the actual preset that I'm looking for, this first item, ARRI, we will click on it. After clicking on it, we will select the first one. Then under 1080p, we will choose ARRI 1080p 23.976. You will choose that one too. So after choosing, don't hesitate to click on OK. Let's go to the settings here to do one or two things that will help editing to be very smooth and fine. So in editing mode, we are going to choose custom. So custom is the first one. So this custom is going to allow us to do any other settings that we want, any other thing that we want, any creativity that we want to exhibit. This custom is going to help us with it. The next one is time base. This time base, we are going to maintain the 23.976 frame per second. We are going to maintain that one. This time base matches the standard frame rate for cinematic content, which is normally called 24p. This 23.976 is normally called, or often called, 24p. Then we come to our video setting. This is our video setting. So with this video setting, our frame size is going to be 1920 for the horizontal and 1080 for the vertical. In all, we are going to get our ratio will be 16:9. 16:9 for our ratio. Let's look at our pixel aspect ratio. For the pixel aspect ratio, we are going to maintain 1.0. Why 1.0? Because this is the standard for video. This is the standard for digital video. And this also avoid distortion when displayed on the screen. So the square pixel 1.0 is the standard for digital video, and also avoid distortion. It avoids distortion. The next one, field. we are going to select no field into bracket progressive scan. So we are going to select the first one, leaving it unchanged. And when we say no field, what does it mean? So when we select this is also the standard for modern digital video. The standard for modern digital video, ensuring sharper frames. It ensures sharper frames. For that one, it ensures sharper frame. Then we come to digital format. For digital format, we are going to maintain this, and this also synchronizes. It synchronizes our editing time with time codes. It synchronizes our editing with timely time codes. Very good. Then we come to audio. With the audio, we are going to look at we are going to maintain this for 48,000 Hz. We are going to maintain that one. And why are we maintaining it? This is the standard audio sample rate for video production. This is the standard one. Then we will maintain the audio sample. Then for iframe only, MPEG, here if you know the actual camera or other thing that you are importing, the video that you are importing, let's say if your video is AVI or other stuff, or you know the actual one, you can select this. But if you don't know the actual, you choose iframe. The intra frame, you choose this one, so which was already chosen. Then after that, you see that our normal frame size is already here, 1920 and 1080. So here for the maximum bit depth, we will make them clickable. We will click it, and after that we will save our presets. So how am I going to save this one? I'm going to save it as edit 11, edit 11, edit 11. Then I will save it. So after saving, we will notice that our new sequence will drop after it finished loading. Our new sequence is here, edit 11. So with edit 11, we will click OK. Then we are good to go. Our panel is ready for our sequence. So supposing I import this video into the panel. I import this video. Once importing, I'll be asked, this video doesn't match the sequence settings. Change sequence to match the clips settings. Then here we have change sequence settings and keep existing settings. I'm going to keep the existing settings. So now our time frame, or our video fixed the frame size that we want, 1920 by 1080p. It fixed it. So we will save it. Then our next thing that we are going to do here is to look at the export settings. For the export settings, we will come here for the export panel to open. Now the export panel is open. Once the export panel is open, we are going to look at the format. The format, we are choosing H.264 as our format. Why are we choosing that? This is a widely compatible video codec, ideal for balancing. This is ideal for balancing quality and file size, and it is also suitable for web uploads. It is also suitable for playbacks on most devices, and also general distribution. So here we can distribute it generally. We can distribute it generally. We can use this for our web uploads and other things. Then for the presets, we are going to choose high bitrate. High bitrate. Why are we choosing that one? This ensures the exported video matches the resolution. This ensures that the exported video matches the resolution that we chose. That's the frame rate and other attributes of the source sequence. So high bitrate also prioritizes quality over file size. Here it looks out for the quality of the video than how size my video is going to look like. No, this prioritizes quality over file size, which is important for professional edit. So if you want to edit professionally, this is the right one for you to choose. Then we come to output name. How should the video be saved? I want it to be saved edit 11 on my desktop, so I'll choose that one. So when I come to summary gives me everything that I selected in the sequence setting. Everything that I selected in the sequence setting comes here on the summary. So 1920 by 1080 is here. We are having the 1.0 to be how do we call it, to be a pixel aspect ratio. We are having a 23.976, which is also another thing that is very important in our video. The progressive is here. Everything, our sound is also chosen here. Then we maintain the use maximum render quality. Then we click on export. Luckily enough, we've come to the end of our video, and today we looked at how to set our sequence settings and our export settings so that we can get the correct HD format, which is also shareable, which is also we can also upload, and also to give us, which is shareable, can be upload on our webs and other things. So we've come to the end of our lesson, and I hope this is going to help you to get your correct frame size. The name is Brakwaku and the channel is Brakwaku TV. I will plead with you that if today is your first time of watching, you subscribe to this channel. Again, like our video and leave a comment. We will be back with more and more and more, so that editing life will be very simple and easier for us. Don't forget to subscribe, share for others to know. The name remains Brakwaku TV. Bye bye. See you next time.